Doing the most.
Yeah.
Doing.
You got it.
Did you get it?
I did get it.
Hi everyone, I'm Natasha from Team Sephora. Are you ready to plump things up? We're talking all things glazed donut, but hold the coffee. I'm talking skincare, I'm talking makeup to achieve that like gorgeous dewy skin. So let's get into it. The very first step is creating that plump, juicy skin. I love this Biossance Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. It is literally everything. And I'm just gonna squeeze a generous amount and then just press it into my skin. I'm just letting you know, I'm prefacing this like I like to look slippery, okay? I'm letting you know it's a glazed donut look. I just want to look nice and shiny and gorgeous and reflective. It's the look, it's the moment. She's giving healthy, gorgeous skin. Now that my skin is prepped and hydrated, I'm gonna go in with this Say Tinted Moisturizer. Personally, I love this because I have like a nice little SPF with some sheer coverage and it's just nice and lightweight. And I'm gonna use the Sephora Collection 56 Pro Foundation brush. So I like using a brush because it disperses evenly and you're able to just spread it out. And it's giving you that nice sheer coverage. I love this foundation because it's so nice and dewy and it just builds on that glow. Do you see that? It's so pretty. My skin is looking so gorgeous and plump, but I need to add some brightness. And with that, I'm gonna go in with the concealer by LYS. And this is a Triple Fix Brightening Concealer, and it does exactly what it says in the name. It's just gonna help brighten. And I'm gonna apply this to my under eyes and then also in some little blemishes because it happens. Okay, so since this is like a very slippery type of look, I like to let my concealer just settle in a little bit. So I'm gonna wait a couple minutes before I blend it out. Now that I'm ready to blend, I have another trick. So I don't use the big fluffy brush to blend out the blemishes. I'm just gonna use my clean finger and then like lightly dab around. And now using the same foundation brush, I'm gonna go in and just lightly blend out the concealer. And yes, you can still incorporate your fingers by getting in those small areas and blending it out. Respectfully, do not come for me. I'm not gonna use setting powder for this look. I want such a glossy, glazy moment. Next step is adding some color, some dimension. I love this Sephora Collection Clean Velvet Cream Blush Palette. It comes in 2 color stories. This one is candied and you have that like nice corally, soft pink moment. I'm gonna mix these two, so let's get into it. I'm gonna be using the Sephora Collection 99 Pro Blush Brush. So I'm putting it in the back of my hand because it's taking off a bit of the product and I'm able to have more control when I'm applying to my face, like so. And I am such a blush girly. I really like to go to town. As you can see, there's no powder in sight. This is just gonna be a nice glaze, shiny, gorgeous, creamy moment. Final step is adding a layer of moisture to my lips, and I'm going in with the Makeup by Mario Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Serum, and it does also exactly what it says in the name. It's gonna give you that juicy glow, hydration, and shine. Gorgeous. Okay, so this is the final look. If I had it my way, we would all be rocking glazed donut skin all year long. So let me know in the comments below if you would try this look, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.